Like somebody's grandmother.
It's true. That's true. Hey guys, so I have right here Shoshana. She's my friend, my church sister, every sister right here. And we actually have a little surprise for her. She never expected it, but remember we're doing a giveaway for our subscribers. We had something special in store for her as well. But this is something I had for her for like years. So this is just something basic. I mean, if they want to think that's fine. But we'll have some other things kind of for her, and she's kind of supporting her business as well.
Ah, that's full of them!
Yeah.
I know some of almost finished.
And you have an option between any one of these inside here. Yeah, so you can choose whichever one you want.
Makeup ball!
Yeah, that's the one you want? Alright, that's... And... So you get the other one too?
Yeah, you can get that one too.
Alright. So these are pretty much already in, right?
From my...
And here is the last one.
You don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I guess it's a pretty much thank you for what you're about to do to our faces as well.
Why? Oh God. I feel like my ass will go so. Thank you, God.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yes. So it's like a thank you for supporting us as well. And I guess, as I say, what you're about to do too.
We're talking there.
Oh, you're welcome. I just want to do something, I guess, nice. So everything right there, that's yours. Hey guys, and we're back with the next video, I guess. So we're in a different part. So we actually be doing I had this idea from a long time ago to actually have Orion turned into me. So we actually got a makeup artist, yes, to actually do that for us. So Orion, we're going to do like a natural look or something like that. I don't think we're going to be able to do all the outfits and all those stuff, but I think we're going to put on matching t-shirts, and we're here is Cane Road the same way. So I'm going to have her do her stuff and see like what magic can work.
Angel boy, never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hopes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.
And that is the end of the tutorial, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.
You wish.
Angel boy.
Yeah, try, but we don't know.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna give you breaks.
We not do it on purpose.
Alright,
Yeah.
look up.
Jesus, Miss Smile.
I think I like you. You are very.
Alright, guys, so this is the final product, I should say. Yeah.
What's in my different
The makeup artist up here, so see her there. Yes. So look natural and so. We would put on this up on the road, yeah, man. They would have stoned me. No, sir.
Afternoon.
Hi, Fashion. Hi, So you look like I. Oh, I say it looks so added something there. Oh, this how we get in this.
Come from here, you not call me.
Me see what me say. So what's that?
It's our next video we are prepared for the turn in my boyfriend to me. So them do a makeup and I look similar to Shalika. I want to wash it off this one.
No, you're not finished.
No.
Not similar to Shanika.
Look
I want her
like
in that song.
somebody's grandmother.
It's true. That's true.
Tell you look like somebody's
It's
grandmother and get
true.
ready to go to church.
It's true. We have the bag of ear and then them feel there's no peak. That's true.
Tell me, why have you there? Leave me alone.
This is to maybe get all the reactions.
Guys, and these are the final results. So Shalika.
Do we look alike, people? You be the judge. I have no idea. I literally can't tell it. So,
China.
Orion. So tell me, guys, tell me how she did. Do we look alike actually? Did she turn him into me? Or the same camera was there, but have the makeup going, or have the shirts going, or is that no?
We look like a nice little girl. Or somebody grandmother.
Right.
Ready to go to the church with a purse. Oh, I got church.
It's in the closet.
It's in the closet.
Closet.
Cheerio. Can I get your biscuits?
Anyways, this was at least a fun way, call it.
Video? Turn my weapon into me.
Yes, at least it was a good attempt. Even if it was success. Or in this kind of look toughish. Jesus! Very tough.
My face is not the one that's around the tough side. I'm very soft in
Yeah, soft and nice.
Anyways, alright guys, so if you have made it to the end of this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and make sure to watch the ads. Thank you very much. You can go to the road so don't people.
You think you would
What's your mommy boy? Yeah, you don't like you don't want people to beat me on the road, you know. Want me to look like you?
And I'm not trying to be good.
Anyways,
Bye guys.